Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to use iPhone internal storage for photos. Using your iPhone's internal storage for photos ensures your pictures are saved directly on your device instead of relying on cloud services. This can help you access your photos anytime without needing an internet connection. And this guide will show you how to store and manage photos using your iPhone's internal storage. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Tap your Apple ID at the top. Select the iCloud, then tap Photos. Turn off iCloud Photos to stop syncing with cloud storage. Then confirm by selecting Downloaded Photos and Videos if prompted. Wait for all photos to download to your device. Then go back to the main settings menu, tap Camera. Ensure your photos are saved locally by default. Standard setting. Open the Photos app, take in your photo using your camera. Check that the photo appears in your library without needing internet. Manage storage by deleting unwanted photos regularly. Tip: running off iCloud Photos ensures all images stay stored directly on your iPhone's internal memory. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.